All right, you guys, my plans for the day got totally messed up because I was planning on making scrunchies all day and my needle broke and I only have one needle for my sewing machine. I have a bunch of other needles, but they're not for the sewing machine. They're just like for hand sewing. I'm just gonna do a quick pickup of the house, but I'm really mainly gonna focus on the kitchen because it's really gross. But this is not gonna be like a deep clean, just a quick pickup, wipe down of the kitchen, dishes, that sort of thing. And I thought that why not film it, give you a little motivation to clean. So let's go ahead and get into it. So you can see that I have a little helper there with me. I am a stay-at-home mom, so I have my two boys at home with me while my daughter's at school. And to be 100% transparent, I have been struggling to get myself back into a good cleaning routine. I did just start the Go Clean Co. Fall Cleaning Challenge, so far, so good. I lost the baby. Found him. He ran upstairs, didn't you? Cleaning with kids, man. It's like not ideal. This is actually my first time using this. So this is the Mr. Clean Freak Lemon Zest. It's like you could use it anywhere, I guess. So, well, I don't know. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's not good. You can see my son here in this clip playing on the tablet, and I'm interested to know, do you allow screen time for your kids? And if so, how much? Let me know in the comments. I'm just interested to see. This was actually filmed 2 days prior to the day that I took the screens away from my kids. And I don't plan on taking them away forever, but I'm just kind of seeing how it affects their behavior and how it affects their sleep and all of that. So let me know in the comments. No judgment here. I just truly want to know some other people's opinions. I have to say that ever since taking on Go Clean Co.'s like mentality of not trying to get everything done in one day, I've been way less stressed about cleaning. So think about that. If you're trying to get everything done in one day, it's going to stress you out. But if you just do things as you go, it is just a lot more simple and a lot more manageable. I don't always wipe these canisters off, but I looked at them this day and I was like grossed out by how much splatters there were on there because we prepare our food right here probably 99% of the time. So I thought it would be a good idea to wipe those off, move them out of the way, wipe the walls. It is insane how dirty a kitchen can get. I am super basic when it comes to cleaning products. I kind of like to just have one thing that does it all, but I will say that I got a new cleaning product recently, and it is the O Cedar Spin Mop. I don't use it in this video, but I will use it in the next. I love it. It gets my floor so clean, and it's so simple. You guys, third kids are a different breed, I swear. Look at him.
You can watch me grow.
Next week, I will have a full declutter, deep clean of the kitchen. Like I said, I'm doing the Go Clean Co. 8-week cleaning challenge. If you're doing it too, comment down below to let me know. Follow me over on Instagram, message me over there, and maybe we can take pictures of the things that we clean and send them back and forth so that we can hold each other accountable. I never really grew up with a dishwasher, and then in college I had a couple, and there was always problems with it, so I never planned on ever having one as an adult, and here I am with a dishwasher, and lo and behold, the day I filmed this video, the dang dishwasher broke. It's just a little latch that needs replaced, but still, dishwashers are nothing but trouble. So the kids have their own little kitchen, basically to like allow them to have some sort of independence so they can get their cups themselves. They've got some cereal in here. Sometimes there's peanut butter in here. They've got their little like wood chopper. I'll link that below. It's kind of nice for like cutting strawberries and stuff, bananas. And then they can come in here and they get their own silverware. They get their own whatever. They have a little rolling pin in there. And even the baby, like he is starting to figure out that if I'm getting him food out, he'll come over here and like, he doesn't always grab the right thing, but he's at least practicing. So far, I mean, it causes a lot of messes, honestly, but it is, I think, teaching them how to have a little bit of independence in the kitchen. This is also their cutting board. I forgot to take it over here with me. And I just set it on top because obviously that stove doesn't work. I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but sometimes like if I open this in the morning after it all cleans, there's a lot of condensation all over the bottles. So I have to like put them out here. I just throw everything up here so it can continue drying because I just don't want to take the time to wipe it all off right now. So usually what I try to do is once the dishwasher has ran and done its like heat dry, which it doesn't actually freaking dry, I open it like this so it can vent that hot air out. And it actually helps them dry better because if you keep it closed, at least in my case, when I keep it closed, the heat does its thing, but then everything's hot and then it like causes condensation or something. So I don't know if you guys have that problem, but if I wait too long to get the stuff out, it always has water all over it. So this stuff is all drying right now. That's actually trash that I need to get rid of and some stuff I need to take outside. But now I'm gonna tackle the dishes and then we're gonna call this a win for today. I'm not gonna sit here and make you guys watch me do dishes, so here's the before and I'll show you after. And here's the after. All right, you guys, I hope that this video gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. Let me know if you liked it. I am doing the 8-week fall cleaning challenge that Go Clean Co. is like putting on. So if you want to see more cleaning videos, I've got a lot of cleaning that's coming up. So I can film it if you want to, if it helps you get motivated to clean your house. I am going to go hang out with my boys and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.